This Western Larch tree died. Today we're going to bring it down and find out exactly how much firewood can one tree give. From felling and limbing, cutting into rounds and splitting, I'll measure and calculate exactly what percentage of a cord we get from this tree. No guesswork, just facts. Welcome back to My Life Deliberately. Let's drop this thing. All right, guys, so I measured this log and it's 86.5 feet long. It's 18 inches at the butt end and 6 inches at the small end. Towards the end, it kind of broke up into 3 pieces, so I cut it off there, but from the point I cut it off to the butt end is 86.5 feet. So how much firewood do you think I can get from this tree? I'm guessing, my guess is about 2/3 of a cord of wood. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give me your guess, and let's continue processing this tree and see how much we actually get. Next step is to cut it into 8-foot lengths so I can use the tractor to bring them back to my cutoff table. So we got a total of 10 logs from that tree. One of them's just a little bit longer than 8 feet, but all the rest of them are 8 feet long. So I'm estimating I should be able to get about 60, a little more than 60 because of that one that's a little bit longer, rounds, 16-inch rounds out of those. So yeah, we're gonna cut those up and see how many we get. Well, there it is. That's what one 86-foot tree looks like when it's all chopped up and split into firewood. I cut the rounds 16 inches, so that stack is 16 inches wide. I got, what was it, 10 8-foot sections. One of them was a little bit longer than 8 foot. And then I cut those up and I got 62 rounds. They were 16 inches. And then this stack, I stacked it all up here, and this measures 6 feet tall and it's 12 feet long. So put that into a cord calculator, that comes out to exactly 3/4 of a cord. So one 86-foot tree gives 3/4 of a cord. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for sticking around with me throughout the whole video, and like and subscribe if you would, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.